So for those of you that don't know, I started this YouTube channel back in 2017 with the sole intent of educating on cryptocurrencies and blockchain, while also wanting to grow a community of like-minded individuals that I could learn from, considering that I was relatively new to the cryptocurrency space myself. Fast forward 3 years and here we are still discussing the most innovative sector of technology and finance, blockchain, and cryptocurrencies. Now, although these topics are the driving force for this channel, I also find it crucial to discuss other topics in finance and tech that have allowed me to grow a prominent portfolio and manage my finances more sufficiently. That being said, I'm going to share how I manage my money and cryptocurrencies, the accounts that I use, why I use them, and what I've learned about personal finance. Now, before diving into my personal finances, we do have to get this week's winner for one of these hardware cryptocurrency wallets. As you guys know, all you have to do to enter in to win one of these cryptocurrency wallets is simply comment down below on the video and be subscribed to the channel, and you will have your chance in the next video. But coming in from our previous video with 394 comments, our winner is KO'd Oni, saying he needs a wallet. Congrats, my guy, you are the lucky winner of one of these 3 cryptocurrency wallets. Our previous winner did go ahead and redeem the ballot. So lastly, we have a Treasure White, a Safe Pal, and an Ellie Pal. And the Ellie Pal is actually my favorite. I'm kind of hoping no one redeems this one because it has the cryptofiend logo on the back, custom made. So I'm assuming the next winner is probably going to take this one. But nonetheless, congratulations, and let's go ahead and dive into today's video. Starting off with the accounts that I use for my personal finances, I have 2 checking accounts, 2 credit accounts, 1 custodial crypto account, and 2 crypto hardware wallets. The one thing you'll notice missing from this list is a savings account. I personally have not seen the need for one, as the majority offer dog shit APRs. For example, Chase, which is my current bank, offers 0.01% per year, which is honestly a slap in the face and doesn't even keep up with inflation. I find it more beneficial to keep my money flowing into higher interest options that will be drastically more profitable, which I will discuss a little later on. Other accounts you don't see on this list is an individual 401k and a Roth IRA. Although both of these options have withstood the test of time and are absolutely phenomenal to start at my current age of 21 years old, I'm just honestly much more interested in investing my funds elsewhere, which uphold a higher reward. Plus, factoring in the current economic conditions, it makes me even less interested in allocating my funds into a Roth IRA or 401k. At least right now. That being said, these options are still very valid to the average person out there that wants a secure and relatively guaranteed profit that will allow them to have a comfortable retirement if managed accordingly in the future. Now, my first checking account is with Chase, which is mainly used for receiving income, and then those funds are usually transferred into my other accounts. My second checking account is with crypto.com, where I take advantage of their MCO Visa card. This is what I use for personal purchases, whether that's gas or groceries, and this allows me to receive 3% back on all purchases, and then those funds I get back directly into my cryptocurrency portfolio. If you'd like to learn more, I will leave a link down below where I go into extensive detail as to how this debit card is literally the best debit card in the world. Next up, I have a Discover Cashback credit card. This card offers 1% back on all purchases and 2% back on gas stations and restaurants. This is actually a great option for people with zero credit history, and is actually why I got it myself when I was 19 years old, as it's very popular amongst college kids, as 99% of the time you will get approved if you have zero credit. And you also get to pick your credit limit by making an initial deposit, which you'll then get back a few months later once you show that you are responsible and you pay your balance on time. If you do plan to get this card, you can receive a $50 credit to your account when you use my referral link down in the description. My next credit account is the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card, which I use for business expenses mainly. This card is a great option for people that travel or eat out a lot, as you will get 2x points on those purchases and up to 5x points on monthly featured purchases. Now, the main reason this card stood out to me is the 60,000 point bonus you receive when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. 60,000 points equates to $750. Now, this card does have an annual fee of $95, but I feel like it's totally worth it if you plan to receive the 60,000 points, and also if you do eat out on a consistent basis. If you are interested in getting your own Chase Sapphire preferred credit card, I will leave my referral link down in the description again so you can receive your 60,000 point bonus. Next up, we have the fun part of my finances, my cryptocurrency portfolio. My go-to cryptocurrency custodial platform is crypto.com. You guys know that. For many reasons, of course, whether that's for the seamless experience, having the largest insurance fund out of all cryptocurrency custodial platforms, or even the Earn program where you can receive up to 18% a year on select cryptos and 12% a year on cash. Exactly why I won't bother with a savings account. I currently store a portion of my crypto portfolio with crypto.com, where I also have my MCO Visa card linked, where I take advantage of that 3% back on all purchases. This has honestly made cryptocurrency investing, spending, paying, and even earning ridiculously easy. If you are new to crypto.com, sign up and use code cryptofiend with no space, and we both get a $50 bonus to our accounts. I know, guys, I'm full of referral links, but hey, if you're gonna sign up to any of these, you might as well get some free cheddar for doing so. Now, the one thing that makes cryptocurrencies so unique is the ability to be your own bank. And quite frankly, it'd be pretty foolish of me to put 100% of my crypto and trust into a third-party platform. That's why I use hardware cryptocurrency wallets, where I can have my tokens and coins in cold storage for many years to come without ever having to worry about any third party having access to my funds. My go-to hardware cryptocurrency wallet is the Ledger Nano X. After having the ability to use dozens of hardware cryptocurrency wallets, this has been my favorite for many obvious reasons, whether that's portability, user interface, mobile capabilities, reputation, or even crypto versatility. Now, why I use multiple hardware cryptocurrency wallets is for diversification. Having multiple crypto wallets strengthens my security, so for if any reason one wallet is compromised, the loss won't be as devastating. If you wish to pick up your very own Ledger Nano X and would like to support the channel, I will leave a referral link down below for this as well. Now, keep in mind, if the Ledger Nano X isn't in your price range or isn't your style, there are many other options out there, whether that's the LEPAL, the SafePal, Kobo Vault, Treasure, the list goes on. I personally believe that this is the most crucial investment for any cryptocurrency investor, and it should not be overlooked. You'd rather be safe than sorry. Now, although having all these different cards and accounts may seem like much to some and not enough to others, this combination has allowed me to manage my finances seamlessly to which best suits my needs, and also allows me to redeem as many benefits, rewards, and perks as possible. Now, keep in mind, this is simply how I manage my personal finances, so this might not be bulletproof for everyone out there. But nonetheless, I hope this video gave you some ideas as to how you can manage your personal finances while also being able to reward yourself for doing so. Again, if you'd like to sign up or learn more about any of the accounts or cards discussed in this video, they will all be linked down below. Although this topic can sometimes be dry or boring, remember that investing in your personal finances is investing in yourself and your future. If you made it this far, thank you, I appreciate you, and I will see you again very soon.